I'm going to show you how you can make money copy and paste videos. So that's what I'm going to share with you. Now you probably see on the screen right now, you see $29.84 earning commission, 47 and also $7. Now the method that I'm going to share with you in this video is simply copy and paste videos and post them so that way you can generate an income. Now these products, I've found these products on a website. I'm going to share with you that website as well. So all I did was repurpose videos, repurpose content, copy and paste, and just start making money. Now I'm going to break it down to you, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And if you're looking for my number one recommendation of how I make money starting from scratch is affiliate marketing. Most of you don't know what affiliate marketing is. It's selling people's products which is not yours. So that's what I just did here. I sold someone else's product and I earned a commission. So if you want a step-by-step training and you don't know exactly where to start, I personally invite you to check out the first link in the description. Go watch my mentor and he will explain to you how you could get started with that. So with further ado, let's jump into things. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Andre. I create videos just like these to help ordinary people just like you make money. Because a lot of people are at home right now or they're looking for a side business in order for them to make a little bit of extra money. So that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, the first website that I would love for you to do, you're going to sign up for a website that is called Warrior Plus. So go to warriorplus.com. You could simply go over to Google and you can type in google.com and the word Warrior Plus. So Warrior Plus. Once you click on Warrior Plus, you see where it says right here, it will say Warrior Plus, your profit is your business. If you click on it, it should take you to the Warrior Plus main website. All you have to do is just quickly sign up. Once you sign up, you can go straight to the dashboard. When you come over here in the dashboard, all you have to do is find the products that are always, I normally go for the ones that are in the top 7 or the top 30. So I will scan through here and I'll say, okay, which one of these products are in the top 7 or in the top 30? So if I look on here, and let's see if we find that one, right? So far, let's see if we see any identical one. This one that says Jobbermatic, right? See here, it says Jobbermatic. So that means in 7 days, it came at the second spot, right? Likewise, Genius. Genius is number 1. It's at number 8. Jobbermatic is there as well. So let's see if Jobbermatic is in today's. Absolutely. So there it is right there. So I would either go for Genius or I would go for Jobbermatic. Now, you always want to double check, search, find the product. So what I do, I click on it. And once I click on it, I want to see what their sales page look like. What exactly they're selling. As you can see, new for 2022. And this is the world's first 401 traffic app. So this is for people who are looking for traffic. So if you're looking for traffic, this is the way to go. So 2 clicks get us free automatic traffic, and you could do that. So as you can see here, this is a product that is selling, and most people want to start a business don't have a clue. So I would look at this as well, and this seems like it's a done for you type of website. So let me close this one and let's go check this one out. All right. So let me see. No thanks. This is a video right here. New cloud software builds profitable job search sites. So there's a lot of people out there that is looking for jobs right now, and these are beginner friendly. So you want to do your research. You want to see exactly, all right, if would I personally buy this product with my own money? That's how I look at it. So if I would buy it, why not? I'll promote it. So once you find it, the next thing you want to go to where it says affiliate offers. So if you go on affiliate offers, once you go on affiliate offers and you scroll down, you want to type in Jobbermatic, right? So you type in, so there's Genius, there's Jobbermatic. You want to check it out, do some investigation on here. So you look and you see, all right, it's a done-for-you system. It came out this year, 13% conversion rate, so that's good. So far, how many refunds they have is 27% refund. and the lifetime value customer is $127. So I will click on where it says request, and when you click on the request tab, you will see that this is the owner, and you can see the price range and the commission structure. So it's $26 in the front end, so you make $13, and of course it goes up to 197, and you also get a $555 recurring payment over and over again. So if you want to use this as an affiliate site builder software, it's a Jobbermatic. Then you could again view the page if you haven't seen it. You can see it from there, and you can request. So view JV page. So you view the JV page here. You can get an affiliate link, right? So you can get the affiliate link by coming on here, and all you have to do is request approval right here. So click on request approval. So if I were you, what would I do? I would say I would put his name. Is his name there? Let's see. Okay, so his name is not there. So I would say, hi JP Bounce. Is that hi JP Bounce? This is, hi JP Bounce. This is Andre. This is Andre. I am an affiliate marketer, and I see you have a great product that will work with my audience. I would love to promote your product. Simple. Thank you. Right? So that's all you got to do. So you just make it up, put your own spin on there, and then you click on request. Once he checks it and he goes over everything, then immediately, boom, you're going to get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, now you got your affiliate link, it's time for you to promote. Now, what I've been using lately, I've been using TikTok. Now, some of you probably don't have TikTok in your country. Now, if you can't get TikTok, I'll definitely show you other ways how you can promote. But let's say you have TikTok, right? You want to find viral videos. So I go in here and I find a lot of videos that are very attractive that people watch. But I always stay within the niche. For example, you can go for challenges, you can go for cars, you could go for crypto videos, you could go for a lot of different videos. Now, once you find that video, right, so let me just use this because this video is here. I'm not going to do a lot of research, but you do your own research and go find videos that you think will work. Now, I always find the videos that has no blue check mark. Some of them I use them, but some of them they kind of have that copywriting thing. But for the sake of this video, I don't want to take up too much time. I'll click on here. And then I will just copy this link. So I'd copy the video link. Once I copy the video link, I then go over to this website that is called snaptik.app. So it's an app that can download TikTok videos and remove the watermark. So once I go on here, I'll just click on download. And once I click on download, then what I would do is I'll create a YouTube channel. Now I'll create a YouTube channel. Just go to Google. Once you go to Google, go on Google, type in a quick way how you can create your channel. Once you do that, then you're going to upload. So what I do, I upload shorts, right? So YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is very trending, and it's the quickest way for you to go viral right now. So what you need as many people to see your video and as many people to see the offer. So when you upload it on your phone or on your computer, you always want to put in a section where you said, check out my link if you want to learn how to make money. So once you put, if you want to learn how to make money, click on the link. You want to put it at the end of the video, like at the bottom of the video. So let me go on a shorts. Let's go to YouTube Shorts and see what's coming up. All right, see, this was posted 10 days ago. This is probably this guy whose name is Luke Davison. I don't know who it is, but as you can see, it's a short. It's shorts. So what he does, he put a little hashtags, YouTube Shorts. Hang on one second. I don't know why my computer just went a little wonky. Okay.
What I'm about to show you guys and girls will flexing emoji is a. What's going on, boys and girls? It's your boy Luke Davidson back with another episode. And in today's video, your minds will be blown because after you see these pictures.
All right, there we go. So let me go back because this video was gone, right? So you want to make sure that you put some shorts, emojis, and everything. You want to put down here at the bottom when you upload it, right? Always tell people to go to your description. Go to the description if you want to make money. So the more you put that on the videos, because you can edit that in the app once you upload it onto YouTube, you will have that option. And what I would recommend, you want to post at least, I would say 3 to 6 times minimum. So you're going to do a lot of research. You're going to go on a lot of TikTok and you're going to search for a lot of videos. Keep searching, keep searching. Now, for the people who don't have TikTok in your country, I would recommend you go over to Instagram. I'm sure Instagram works everywhere. So you go on Instagram and likewise, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to search for videos, right? It could be car videos. It could be accident videos. You just need videos that's going to grab a lot of attention, and then you write on the video and send people to your affiliate link. So if you do that over and over again, I promise you will work. But most of you, half of you who watch this video is not even going to pass your first 21 days of posting. You're probably going to post for 2 or 3 days and it didn't work, and then you complain. Success doesn't come overnight. You have to put in the work. You have to take it does take time. But if you remain consistent and you start growing your channel, then a lot of people are going to see it and they're going to want to click on your bio. So make sure you go check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you're looking for my #1 way of making money online, check out the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.